Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So the first thing we need to do is to open the watch face menu, and to do that, wake up the screen by pressing the Chrome button. Then you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here we have the list of watch faces we can basically select. So find the watch face you like and then simply tap on it to select it and apply it like this. And basically that's how you change the watch face. But you can also use the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch to change the watch face as well. So we can grab our phone that is paired with our watch. Zoom out the camera so we can see the whole screen, and now on that phone that is paired with our watch we can open the MIBRO Fit application. In the app we can tap on device icon right here, and now you should see the your watch on the page, and right here we have different categories, and the first one is the customization, the start category. As you can see we have album watch and watch dial shop. I'm gonna tap on watch dial shop, and here we have the basically watch face store, and you can look for the watch faces, basically browse the categories and look for something you like, and once you find the watch face you enjoy, you can simply tap on it, tap on installation, and it will basically download and install the watch face on your watch. Like this, and as you can see it was applied, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.